What is a hit-and-run charge? A hit-and-run charge is typically a type of legal charge brought against someone accused of breaking hit-and-run laws. These laws may often vary from country to country, and within the United States, are determined by individual states rather than federal law. In general, however, a hit-and-run charge is typically brought against someone accused of performing a hit-and-run. This may be a felony or misdemeanor. A hit-and-run charge can often be accompanied by other charges as well, depending on the nature of the accident. Many countries and states establish a hit-and-run statute as a responsibility for anyone directly involved in an automobile accident with another person or person's property to stop and report the accident to the person. A hit-and-run charge will typically be brought against anyone involved in an accident and does not stop to ensure others are not injured and to report the accident. Some areas also have laws requiring that an accident be reported to police, as well as to the owner of damaged property. There are also regions with laws regarding responsible behavior by anyone who comes upon the scene of an accident, even when a hit-and-run charge may not be otherwise applicable. In Germany, for example, hit-and-run laws indicate that anyone involved in an accident must stop and identify himself or herself to the victim, as well as make sure that anyone injured receives treatment. If a property owner is not around to report damage to, however, then a note can be left after a person waits a sufficient period of time. Also in Germany, anyone coming upon the scene of an accident must also provide reasonable assistance in any way possible, though he or she need not put himself or herself in danger of bodily harm. China has a similar law governing the use of a hit-and-run charge for criminal prosecution. Failing to stop after being in an accident can cause permanent revocation of a person's license. Different states in the U.S. have specific hit-and-run laws, and usually determine the level of severity, felony or misdemeanor, based on whether anyone was injured or killed in the accident. In a case where someone was injured, a hit-and-run charge can also be accompanied by vehicular assault or aggravated assault charges as well.